These two viewers clips show good examples of how to deal with crossings when you can't see both sides very well. The view to the right isn't totally obscured on this pelican crossing. And even if you haven't seen the guy on the right crossing the road, the fact that the car next to us to our right didn't move is a big enough clue that there's someone there. The zigzags in the road mean don't overtake the lead vehicle, and this is exactly the reason why. Well done for all the other vehicles around in not rushing this guy crossing. This clip is slightly different. We've got the bin wagon that's collecting, and it's actually stopped momentarily to pick up the bins on the zigzags. We can see on the approach it's probably going to be clear, but there's always a space behind the bin wagon that we can't see. So nice and slow and nice and wide, and make sure you look left as you're going past. Always be ready to stop just in case someone was hidden.